and I'm taking the dash back out. A lot of wiring going on, don't really know where any of it goes. It's like someone's boiled a pan of spaghetti and thrown it all over. I did label up as much as I could when I took the dash out a long time ago. So I've just took the clocks out there, and that's come off the front of the clocks, so I'll probably have to glue that back on. So yeah, getting back on with the BM. As you can see, there's plenty to do. So this is all loose now. It's had a shitload of bodges under here. There's masking tape, balls and connectors and fuses being put in it all over. The electrics must be absolutely shite on these cars. There's just, I don't know, it just looks like the loom's been made up. You've got bodge locks there, cable ties, balls of masking tape there, taping a load of shite together, wires there. Let me go around the other side. So a load of wires chopped in there, don't know why. If anyone knows why the wires might be chopped in there, if you could kindly let me know in the comments. We've got more tape and earths on there, we've got a load of chopped wires there, connectors there. It's like it's had a whole new wiring loom made, I don't know, I think they're speaker wires. Yeah, it's just a bodge up. So yeah, I'm going to whip this back out, just check everything behind it, make sure everything's connected, because I only put it in temporary to move the car. So I'm going to do that, take it back out, make sure everything's connected, and then put it back in properly. And then I'm going to get on doing a bit more bodywork to the car, probably do the engine bay next. So I've just done something else as well. I've just bought a Golf GTI, Mark III Golf GTI. I've wanted one for a while to take the engine out of it. I'm going to put the engine in the camper van. So the camper van, the bar, something's wrong with it, I don't know, it doesn't want to start, turn it over, it just goes so I think the starter motors, I think the cogs are stripped on the flywheel. I had problems with the old starter motor, replaced it with a new one, and basically I think the flywheel's knackered on it, so the engine wants to come out of that anyway. I've now got a Golf GTI coming from down Lincoln. It's going to get dropped off tonight, and I'm going to take the engine out of that and put it in the camper van. So the camper van will be a T25 GTI. So that's another project I'm going to be running if you want to follow that project. That's the van. The van. There's also a video on that if you want to see what it looked like before I painted it, the pile of shite it was when it was in the scrapyard, and you can see all the work I've done to it. So that's that, that's what I've been doing, that's what I'm doing today, and this is what I'm going to be doing, and all the rest of it, blah 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 blah. Thanks for watching.